If you watch the channel, you see that my wife and I, we spend a lot of time out in the wilderness and you get dirty. I've spent a lot of time over the years looking for the perfect camp shower. The most obvious one is the cheap gravity type shower. But a lot of times when I'm out in the wilderness, I don't have trees. I live in the desert. I'm not going to hang them from a saguaro, so it doesn't always work. There are pressurized versions, but you have to pump those things up and they lose pressure as you're showering with them. Not a big fan of those. The RinseKit PRO is essentially a shower in a bucket. What's really unique about it is a battery operated constant pressure shower. There's no gravity involved. There's no pumping it up. You just push the button, pump comes on, brings it up to pressure, keeps it at this 50 PSI. As far as construction goes, it's heavy duty plastic, marine grade electronics. Now, it's not just a shower to me. I actually took it, like I said, for hand washing and dishes on family camping trip. Worked fantastic for that. And something that I do a lot is canyoneering. I'll have a wetsuit and all this canyoneering gear, and you get down in the canyon and you're in this nasty water. You get a bunch of sand, silt, grit, dirt. My least favorite thing to do after a canyoneering trip is to come home, get all of my gear out and hose it down. With the RinseKit, I can just clean it right there in the field. So when I come home, all I got to do is hang it to dry and put it away. That in itself makes this worthwhile for me. I can't find anything else that is this compact and works this well in all conditions.